Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate eclairs. So let's get started. First you're going to need to make pastry cream and choux pastry. And I showed how to make both of them in a previous video, and I'll put a link to it in the description box. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then add the choux pastry into a piping bag fitted with a large round tip, or you can use a Ziploc bag and cut off the corner. Then onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper, pipe small logs about 3 inches long, pull back on the end of each one, and space them out at least an inch apart to give them room to spread in the oven. Then wet your finger and pat down the ends so that it's smooth. And bake them in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're puffed and golden browned and sound hollow when you tap it. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. To make the chocolate topping, in a small saucepan, add in the dark or unsweetened chocolate. Use any chocolate with very little or no sugar so you can control the sweetness. Butter, sugar, salt, and water. And place the saucepan onto the stove over a very low heat and heat it until it's all melted and combined. Don't heat it over a higher heat, you don't want it to burn. Once it's all melted, remove it from the heat and add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Once they're completely cooled, use a chopstick or skewer to make a small hole on the end of each eclair. And pipe in the pastry cream, squeezing until you see it just starts to expand. Then dip the tops of the eclairs into the chocolate sauce and leave them until the chocolate is set. And that's how to make chocolate eclairs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.